Oh no. Not again. Liam, wake up. You are going to be late for school.
Just 5 more minutes, Dad.
Dad, you always make me rush. Every single morning.
Oh, I feel so dizzy.
Dad? Dad! What's wrong?
Lean on me, Dad. I can carry you.
Thank you, my boy. From now on, I will take care of you, Dad. I'm the dad today. Step 1, make soup. Step 2, clean everything. I am the boss now. Where is it? Dad always finds it in 1 second. Rice? Or pasta? What do dads usually buy for soup? Aha! Chicken soup for the soul. I hope it works for fevers, too. Why is this thing so heavy? It's bigger than me. Ew. Dad, how do you live with these smelly socks? Look at me. I'm doing great. This dad thing is easy. Wow. Did a tornado hit our living room? Time to work. Stay still. Why are you so big? I'm trying to help. Oof. Oh no. A stain. Dad is going to. Oh wait, I'm the dad. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Cleaning is, actually, really hard work. Bills, bills, more bills. Boring. How does Dad do this? I'm so tired. Being a dad is the hardest game ever. Dad? Don't worry. I'm coming with water. Okay, kitchen, let's do this. Recipe says chicken soup. Easy peasy. Oops. Maybe that was a bit too much rice. Well, 1 carrot. 2 carrots. Stay still, you orange monsters. Just a pinch of salt. Oh, that was more like a mountain of salt. Stop! Stop! Why are you growing? Down! Get back inside! Well, it's not exactly like the picture in the book.
Looks
Interesting. But hey, it's made by Dad Liam. Dad will love it. Steady, slow and steady. Don't spill the love, Liam. Dad, time for some super soup.
Are you awake? I am now.
Thank you, Liam. Is it good? I followed the book, mostly.
It's unique, very strong.
I love it. Oh no, 102 degrees. You are a volcano, Dad. This will make you feel cool, just like a superhero's shield. Medicine time, Dad. No complaints, please.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Rest now, Dad. I'll stay right here. I promise. No ginger? Oh no! Dad needs his ginger tea to feel better. Found it. Let's see. Oh, we have $20. That should be enough. Stay safe, Dad. I'll be back in a flash. Vegetables, fruits. Oh, where is the ginger? It looks like a tiny brown tree. $3 for this? Everything is so expensive. I have to save money. And I have. Only $5 left. Focus, Liam. I did it. I'm a smart shopper. Dad will be so proud. Whew. Home at last. No time to rest. Dad needs his tea. This skin is so tough. Why won't you? Come off. Thin slices. Huh, like Dad does. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Smells strong. It must be working. 1 spoon of honey for a great dad. Just 1. Here, Dad. Drink this. It's hot ginger tea.
Thank you. You're a lifesaver, Liam.
My arms ache. Dad does this every time I'm sick? Every single time? Dad's desk is so messy. Let's make it shine before he wakes up. What's this? Urgent. Electricity bill? The numbers are so big. So many emails. Dad must work even when I'm sleeping. I never knew. He kept it. My drawing. Right next to the big bills. I am his hero too? I complained about math homework. But Dad has to solve the whole world's problems. Don't worry, Dad. I'll be your superhero today. For real. Being a dad is not about rules. It's about
No.
love and sacrifice. Stay awake, Liam. Dad needs you. Don't sleep. Cold, it's so cold.
I'm here, Dad. I'm here. It's okay, I'll help.
Please get better. Please. Don't be sick anymore. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry for being so mean this morning. I didn't know. You can hear me? Oh, Dad. I'll be a better son. I'll be your real hero from now on. I promise.
The sun is up already? The fever is gone. I feel so much better.
You did all this for me, my brave little boy.
Dad, you're awake. Are you okay? Is the fever gone?
I'm fine, Liam. Thanks to you.
I was so scared. I'm sorry for being a bad boy.
Shh. You are the best son in the world.
Wait. I'm still the dad today. I need to make your toast.
How about I make breakfast? You've earned a rest, champ.
Really? Can I have extra honey?
Here, Dad, the special Liam toast. Only 1% burnt this time.
It's the best breakfast I've ever had, champ.
Do you need help, Liam?
No way, Dad. You rest. I've got this under control. I know how hard you work now, Dad. You're the real superhero.
I do it all for you, Liam. Always.
I used to complain about everything. But now, I appreciate every moment with my dad. Can we go to the park, Dad?
Anything for my favorite little manager.